ATF eForm4s, you'll have your can in your hands faster than ever. Thank you for trusting Silencer Shop and asking about the updates that we've been sending via email. If you aren't on our newsletter, consider signing up. It's free and the link tree is in the description of this video. Silencer Shop is here for you, and we've been in touch over the phone, email, and across social media. You've brought up great points, and we're back to answer your latest questions about eForms. 1. When did Silencer Shop begin facilitating the submission of ATF eForm4s? The relaunch of ATF eForm4s was on December 23rd, 2021. And on January 3rd, 2022, Silencer Shop began to facilitate the submission of eForm4 applications. Additional Powered by Silencer Shop dealers are being added every day, around the clock, and all dealers will be able to submit ATF eForm4s with our awesome full auto software by the end of the week. 2. I have a pending order with Silencer Shop. How will I know when it's time to submit my eForm4? When your eForm4 is prepared, you'll receive a Ready To Certify email with detailed instructions for next steps. When you see this, please contact your dealer to set up a time to certify. 3. How do I certify my eForm4? That's easy. You can certify remotely with your dealer if you register it as a trust or a corporation. Per the ATF, if you register it as an individual, you must certify in person at your dealer's place of business. Either way, you'll use your ATF eForms PIN, so please be sure it's accessible. If you haven't already created an ATF eForms account, there is a video outlining that process and ATF support for their site. Just check out our YouTube channel for the previous eForms video. 4. How is my Powered by Silencer Shop dealer tapping into ATF eForm4s? Powered by dealers will have access to Silencer Shop's brand new full auto form prep software, which they can use to quickly and accurately prepare eForm4s. The key, accuracy. ATF has made clear there will be very little opportunity to fix errors after the eForm4 is submitted. Any problem with your submission could force you to wait the 90 days for processing. Then you find out you have an error and you must revise your application and wait again. Another benefit to you, the full auto software properly formats your digital fingerprints, so you're not wasting time sending fingerprint cards, which could get lost in transit. 5. One of the things I like about filing with Silencer Shop is the accuracy. Should I be comfortable with eForms? Silencer Shop is here for you, and that's why we created the full auto software. Silencer Shop leads the industry in ensuring fast and accurate submissions, and will continue to do so with the new system. Silencer Shop accuracy rate is 99.5%. The industry average is 60%. The Silencer Shop process still begins with our expert compliance team reviewing your Form 4 information and all supporting documents. Then, our full auto software ensures proper digital formatting. This allows dealers to prepare your eForm4 without the errors and security risks associated with manual data entry. Thank you again for trusting Silencer Shop since 2010 and the nationwide network of over 4,000 Powered by Silencer Shop dealers. We look forward to continually working together to make silencer ownership simplified.